Hey, Mac is back with Mac on the mic. Today we have some drywall repairs, but the one thing I want to talk about is protection when you're doing work over finished items. I like to tape a border around the top surface to make sure that the edges are completely covered through the whole entire top. I like to just to cover it, give an extra protection to protect the front, to protect the sides, and to protect the top. Then I go back with the tape and tape this front edge to keep it secure so it doesn't slip and move on me. And that first tape line helps me get a nice coverage onto the countertop so nothing is getting past this plastic. A little extra work for prepping, always make sure that it is covered because at the end result, everything will still look good. And the last thing is, I make sure I take this grip right cloth. It's literally like a runner. It's got a thick padding into it to help out with any protection from either setting down easy. A tape measure gives it something and it gives it a little cushion to it. This is how I do it. Pretty much gives me a good thought of mine when I'm doing a repair around finished items. But if you guys have any other ideas, I'm always open-minded. So leave a comment, hit the like button, and I'll see you at the next video.